Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nasraya binti Mama Johan, and today I will present about capital market, derivative market and offshore market.
Let's move to the first one, that is capital market. So what is capital market? Capital market is the market for trading long-term financing asset with maturity of more than a year. It's been buyer and seller together to trade stock, bond, currency, and other financial assets. Capital market complements the banking system in financing economic expansion by offering deficit unit in the economy to raise funds by the ways of equity financing or debt financing. Besides that, this provides an avenue to the surplus unit to invest their fund for long term. The measure of capital market is stock and bond market. Stock market provides venues where buyers and sellers meet to exchange equity shares on public. The share represents the ownership interest in the company as a shareholder who share the success or failure of the company's business. Besides that, stock market includes efficient price discovery and efficient dealing. Stock is riskier than bond because the dividends income and stock price increases are not guaranteed. Stock do not have a maturity compared to bond market. Next is bond market. Bond market is a market for companies to raise funds by issuing bond and sell bond to investors. The participants can issue new debt known as the primary market or buy and sell debt in securities. Bond is a fixed income securities with maturity date compared to stock market. National government generally use the proceeds from bonds to finance infrastructural improvement and pay down debt. Besides that, the company also issue bonds to raise the capital needed to maintain operation, grow their products line, or open new location. Bonds tend to be less volatile and more conservative than stock investment, but also have lower expected return. Next chapter is derivative market. It is a market that facilitates the trading of the derivative market instrument to overcome uncertainty in future price. This market has become more important as the market participants are facing a higher risk exposure following event. There are two types of derivative market: is future contract and option contract. Future contract is a legally agreements between two parties to buy or sell an underlying asset at certain time in future for certain price that is allowed today, while option contract is a contract between two parties in which one party has the right but no obligation to buy or sell a specified asset at specified price. The participant that related to the derivative market is hedgers and speculator, or known as investor. Hedger can be characterized as risk averse and speculator as the risk lover. Why? Because hedgers try to reduce the risk of associated with uncertainty, while speculator bet against the movement of the market to try to profit from fluctuation in the price of securities. The last chapter is offshore market. Offshore market is a market for offshore business that related to import and also export. It is a little government control of low tax rate. Offshore market complements the onshore financial system. It strengthens contribution of the financial sector towards the gross national product of Malaysia. The characteristic of offshore market is tax benefit because it imposes low tax on income, profit, dividend, and other in offshore business. Second is confidentiality. It maintains high degree of secrecy in limitation of public and prohibition disclosure of shareholding of management. Next, the benefit of offshore market is lower up and maintenance cost because it is fast and simple. Second is strategic location because it is easily accessible by air and also strategic location between India and China. Lastly, there are 5 types of offshore market in Malaysia, that is the Board International Business and Financing Center, the Bank Financial Service Authority, offshore company that comprise trading and non-trading, offshore banking and trust company, and lastly is tax structure and incentive. All of the offshore market has different role and objective. For example, the main role of global financial services authority is license and to ensure license and data comply with the internal and international best standard. Next is the importance of financial market. There are many things that financial market make possible, including the following, that is, financial markets provide a place where participants like investors and debtors, regardless of their size, will receive fair and proper treatment. Second is they provide individuals, companies, and government, also organization with access to capital. Third is financial market help lower the unemployment rate because of the many job opportunities it offers. Besides that, the role of financial market in the success and strength of an economy cannot be underestimated. Here are four important functions of financial market. The first one is put saving into more productive use. Second is determine the price of securities. Third is makes financial asset liquid. And fourth is lower the cost of transaction. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.